Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Thursday. I was sent this junk journal box from the Journal Junk Box company. It's a subscription box. I am so excited to open it, and I promise I have not opened it yet. I was waiting to do it with you guys, so we're gonna do that. All the information about this Journal Junk Box will be in the description of this video. You'll get 15% off your first box. This is not a paid promotion. My payment is getting to open this fun box. So I just like to share it with you guys, and I'm so pumped. All right. First of all, I think the packaging so far, the box is so cute. And I will definitely be using pieces of this for my trashy junk journal that I'm working on. All right, so, oops, just dropped that. Oh my goodness, you guys. Let me grab what I dropped and I'll be back. Okay, so starts with a little quote card. I am rooted in my purpose and growing into my best self, one step at a time. And it gives you this is really nice quality sheet printed that has journal prompts. What does growth look like for me right now and how can I embrace it? Okay, so this looks like, I'm guessing maybe it's gonna be a garden theme. That would be amazing. Grounded and growing January. All right, and then on the back, it tells you what's in the box. I don't wanna look. I just want to be surprised, so we'll look at that later. And then this cute little junk journal box with their information. All right, so this fell out of the box, so let me get my scissors. Oh, I'm pumped. I love surprise stuff and junk journal stuff. So it looks like it is some pet tape. Okay, so it looks like it has some butterflies, some houses. I'll try to open that in a little bit. And then it says, hey, journal babe. Ooh, I'm gonna try not to look at everything at once, okay? So I'm just gonna grab a couple things. So in these boxes that they send, it's self-care and journaling, which I find super cool. So 3 pens, which, you know, I need pens right now because I just started, or I'm starting my new job. So I love new pens. I just want to show you guys because it looks like there's something on each one, which is cool. All right, so one says bloom, grow, and flourish. Cool. I almost want to try one, but I don't have anything to write on. It is a garden theme. Plant kindness. What is in here? Oh, you know what, you guys? It's a little like a decoration piece, so it's wooden. That's awesome. Plant kindness. All right. Okay, next up, grounded and growing junk journaling stickers. I am obsessed with all things stickers, so let's look at some of them. All right. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. Nice, thick quality. I don't know where she sources her stuff from. I think it's I don't know much about the owner, but these are such good quality stickers. How cute. Look at these garden, I know I have paint all over my hands, you guys, sorry. Per usual. But yeah, nice set of stickers with the garden theme. Okay, I'll push these off. Let's see. Oh my gosh, then a little set of stamps. I like that succulent looking one. Cool. And it keeps going. So body scrub, punchy pineapple. Very cute. Absolutely love this packaging. I'm gonna have to use this like today so that I can use this in my journal. I love it. Okay, what do we have here? time to grow. What if this is, oh yeah, so a little journal. Awesome cover. I love all things garden. So if you guys end up ordering a subscription box, you most likely won't get this one because this will be the last month, but you can check out their website and I'll link that and see all the different fun things that they offer. So here's a to-do list. That is such, I love that. Lord knows I need a to-do list. I usually just keep it in my head. So that is cool. Very nice stuff. Oops, I always drop things. So it's a lot of stuff. And each month obviously would be different things. Let's see, and then all these stickers, which aren't gonna fit in frame, but tons of stickers. I bet there's 50 in here. So yeah, thank you, Journal Junk Box, for sending this to me. Absolutely love it. I love the variety. It would be so exciting to have a different box each month to have, you know, you never know what you're gonna get. Surprises are the best. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to share that with you, and thank you for sending this to me. It is great, and I will be surely using all these things. This is gonna go on my sink counter as soon as I stop recording because I love it. All right, guys, so yeah, I wanted to share that with you. Everything about it will be in the description of the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.